Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab Active2, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, you want to pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle. So for me, it's right over here. Once you find it, you can either tap on it to turn it on with whatever the default parameters of it are, or you can hold it to actually change them. So once you hold it, it will bring you to right here, Do Not Disturb mode, and honestly there's not much here. So we have turn on as a schedule, so this will allow you to set up a schedule, and then allow exceptions, which will give you a little bit of a customization right here. So you have alarms, media, touch sounds, and then calls, messages. Okay, there's nothing below. So we have calls, messages, repeat callers, event tasks, alerts, and reminders. Now I'll mention that for calls, as you can see right now it's set to none. There's a repeated caller option, meaning that if you select this and someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will completely bypass your selection right here and be able to reach you without any kind of problem. So anyway, once you set it all up, you can either, like I mentioned, use the schedule, which would require you to basically set it up right here. So obviously start and end time and each day of the week you want it, and make sure that it's toggled on right here. But for everybody else who wants to use it occasionally with just a quick toggle, all you need to do is find the toggle, click on it once you set it up, and it will be enabled with whatever the settings you have chosen. Once you're done with it, you can tap on it again to disable it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.